Stepping into the world of photography can feel completely overwhelming with all the technical jargon and complex styles, often leaving you feeling like you need a college degree just to capture a sharp image. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR kit completely shatters that learning barrier, delivering authentic, professional-grade image quality in a highly approachable, budget-friendly package. It is the ultimate rite of passage camera engineered specifically to help beginner photographers confidently move away from smartphone screens and master the art of real visual storytelling. The definitive upgrade you notice immediately is the massive 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor hiding inside the chassis. This sensor is significantly larger than the tiny lenses found inside even the most expensive flagship smartphones, allowing it to capture an immense amount of light and incredibly fine, crisp details. Paired with Canon's legendary color science and the Digic 4 Plus image processor, it produces rich, vibrant tones and a gorgeous, natural background blur, known as bokeh, that software filters simply cannot replicate. Whether you are shooting in bright afternoon sunlight or trying to capture a dim, ambient indoor family gathering across its wide ISO range, your photos retain beautiful clarity with minimal digital noise. Bundled right into the box is the versatile EFS 18 to 55mm f/3.5-5.6 IS2 lens, which serves as the perfect training ground for your creative eye. This lens covers everything from a wide-angle perspective for sprawling landscapes to a short telephoto compression that is ideal for beautiful portraits. It features a built-in optical image stabilizer that counteracts the natural tremors of your hands, allowing you to shoot at slower shutter speeds without worrying about camera shake ruining a perfect shot. Because the T7 features an official Canon EF/EFS lens mount, it gives you instant compatibility with a massive ecosystem of over 300 lenses, meaning this camera body can easily grow with you as your skills evolve. Navigating your compositions feels fast and organic thanks to the high-quality optical viewfinder. Unlike looking at a lagging electronic screen, the optical finder lets you see exactly what the lens sees in real time with zero lag, which helps immensely when trying to track moving subjects. It utilizes a highly accurate 9-point phase detection autofocus system with a central cross-type point that locks onto your subject in a fraction of a second. If you aren't ready to dive into full manual settings just yet, you can rely on the Scene Intelligent Auto mode, which analyzes the lighting and environment to automatically configure the perfect exposure settings for you. Sharing your work with the world is completely effortless thanks to the integration of built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity. By pairing the camera to your smartphone via the free Canon Camera Connect app, you can wirelessly transfer full HD videos and high-resolution photos straight to your camera roll for instant social media posting. The wireless link even unlocks remote shooting capabilities, letting you use your phone screen as a live monitor and shutter button, perfect for family group portraits or steady long exposure shots from a tripod. If you are ready to stop settling for flat smartphone snaps, take control of your creative vision, and invest in a true dedicated camera kit that makes learning manual photography fun and accessible, this DSLR kit is the absolute gold standard for beginners. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if you're shooting landscapes or portraits, and I will see you in the next video.